We just bought a go-kart for $300. And it goes 50 miles an hour. This is gonna be crazy. Right now we're about to go look at a go-kart that we might potentially buy. Caleb found this go-kart online and they are selling it for $350 and it goes 50 miles an hour. Hopefully we can test drive it, because if it goes 50 miles an hour, we are definitely going to purchase this thing and just mob around. We'll be there in 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, this is a little sketch out here, I'm not gonna lie. We're on a little dirt road right now. Is that it? No, it's not it.
40
This is it. Oh
That's
my
the house?
gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Dude.
What?
Recording?
Are you the one with the go-kart?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just met up with the dude that's selling the go-kart. We talked him down to $300, so we're going to get the cash right now, and then we're gonna go buy it. He built the go-kart himself, but I mean,
It works.
it works, and we want to go fast. We just got the cash, and now we are on our way to grab our go-kart. Yeah. Perfect. We did it, boys. All right, so right now I'm gonna take it for the first official test run.
Uh,
There's no brakes. Oh, that was so sick. We just lost the gas cap. Most fun I've had in like years. Caleb's gonna do the speed test. Just take it down the street. Holy crap! He almost ate it. He almost killed you and ate it. Holy crap! So we bought this go-kart from this kid that lives way, like, almost in a different city. And he built this himself. He built this from scratch. He had the little frame, and then he bought the engine, he bought the tires, he bought everything, and he built it. Yeah, so we got it for $300, like I said. I'm really happy with this purchase. We might have to get new tires for the front, but we'll keep making videos and updating you guys as we use this go-kart. And yeah, it's sick.
Oh wow, and you know we always spittin' while we sippin', oh wow.